Guam Waterworks Authority presents How to Detect Water Leaks in Your Home and Property. The first thing you want to do is locate your water meter near the sidewalk or street closest to your property. On the meter, there is an indicator that turns when water passes through. Make careful observations of the indicator's movement. Shut down all water inside the house and see if the indicator is still moving. If the indicator is still moving, you have a leak. Locate and shut off your private shutoff valve if you have one installed. If you do not have a private shutoff valve, it is highly recommended to contact GWA to shut off your water and arrange for a licensed plumber to install a private shutoff valve to avoid future costly water loss. Contact GWA at 671-647-7800 and request to have the water shut off and the meter box unlocked prior to installation. If you do not have a private shutoff valve and are experiencing a leak, contact the GWA 24-hour emergency dispatch line immediately. Let's recap. Contact GWA to unlock your meter box. Turn off all faucets and water appliances in your home. Observe the indicator on your meter. If the indicator continues to move, you may have a leak. If you have a leak, turn off your private shutoff valve and contact a licensed plumber for repair or assistance. If you do not have a private shutoff valve, it is highly recommended to contact GWA to shut off your water and arrange for a licensed plumber to install a private shutoff valve. We hope these tips will help you avoid costly water leaks and help all of us conserve our most precious natural resource. Thank you for your time. For more information, call, click, or visit Guam Waterworks Authority. We're here to help you.